Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts, your one-stop shop for in-depth market analysis. Today, we're going to do a deep dive into XAUUSD, analyzing recent news and current market events. Let's start by looking at what the major financial news outlets and websites have to say about the XAUUSD. As we can see from the headlines, the prevailing sentiment towards XAUUSD is somewhat bearish. Recent news about a potential ceasefire in a geopolitical conflict and a rise in treasury yields have contributed to a decline in gold prices. However, there is also some conflicting information about a pause in the dollar's rally, indicating potential upward pressure. Let's switch to the daily chart to examine the price action. On the daily chart, we observe a recent significant drop in XAUUSD price, aligning with the bearish news. The price seems to be testing a key support level around 2,663, as mentioned in several news articles. A break below this level could trigger further downward momentum in the short term. However, the presence of a significant support level suggests potential for a bounce back. Now, let's narrow in on the last week of price movement on the daily chart to get a closer look at the price action. Here, we can see the price has consolidated within a tighter range for the past few days, indicating indecision in the market. We'll look at the hourly chart to confirm this trend. On the 1-hour chart, the recent price action confirms the consolidation. Notice the lack of large price swings, further evidence of market indecision. This lack of decisive momentum could lead to a breakout in either direction. Let's take a closer look at the last 24 hours of data. We can see the price action of the past 24 hours shows a clear sideways trend, creating a tighter range between support and resistance. Let's switch to the 15-minute chart to look at the candlestick patterns and price fluctuations in a shorter time frame. The 15-minute chart provides us with a granular view of the short-term price swings and patterns. We see a mix of bullish and bearish candlesticks, adding further support to the sideways trend observed in other time frames. In summary, the current market sentiment towards XAUUSD is mixed, with some bearish pressure from recent news, but potential for a bullish reversal. Key support levels to watch are around 2663 on the daily chart and 2652 on the hourly chart. A break above 2747 on the hourly chart could signal a short-term bullish reversal. On the 15-minute chart, watch for candlestick patterns that may indicate the likely direction of the breakout. Whether this happens will heavily depend on developments related to the geopolitical conflict and interest rates. Traders should monitor economic indicators and further news releases to get a clearer picture.